Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Jotform workflows. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically create Asana tasks from form submissions, streamlining your workflow and eliminating manual data entry. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have both your Jotform and Asana account details ready, as you'll need them throughout this process. After logging in, look to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to a dashboard displaying all the forms you've created in your Jotform account. Now, you need to locate the specific form you want to connect with Asana, browse through your forms list, and once you find it, click the Edit Form button next to it. This will open up the Form Builder interface where you can make all necessary modifications and integrations. In the Form Builder, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find several tabs. Click on the Settings tab. This area contains all the configuration options for your form, including powerful integration capabilities that connect Jotform with other platforms. Within the Settings area, you'll notice a left side menu with various options. Select Integrations from this menu. This section is where Jotform really shines, offering connections to hundreds of third-party applications that can enhance your form's functionality. You'll now see a search bar at the top of the integrations page. Type Asana into this search bar. Jotform will filter the available integrations and display the Asana option. Once you see it, click on the Asana integration tile to begin the setup process. A configuration window will appear asking you to choose an action from a drop-down menu. This determines what happens in Asana when someone submits your form, such as creating a new task or updating an existing one. Select the action that fits your workflow needs, then click Next to proceed. The next critical step is authentication. Click the Authenticate button, which will prompt you to log into your Asana account. This establishes a secure connection between Jotform and Asana, allowing them to communicate and share data. Enter your Asana login credentials when prompted. This step may take a moment as the two platforms establish their connection. Once authenticated, you'll be taken to the Field Mapping section. This is where you determine how information from your form translates into Asana tasks. In the task name field, type something descriptive like open curly bracket name close curly bracket request. The curly bracket fields pull data directly from your form submissions. You can also add description fields that capture additional form data and assign specific team members to these tasks if desired. Before finalizing everything, click the Settings gear icon within the integration window. Here you can configure additional options such as enabling Notify Asana to alert team members immediately or attaching files that were uploaded through the form directly to the Asana task. Finally, click Save to activate your integration. Your Jotform is now connected to Asana, and any new submissions will automatically create tasks in your Asana workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.